Hey everyone, Mark here at Discover Your Home. Thank you again for joining me tonight, and we're going to talk about 6 quick exterior upgrades to kind of help you sell your house maybe a little bit quicker and maybe for a little bit more money.
Sounds good.
There was a 2017 house home survey done, and these are some of the things that they recommend for you to do to your home to get it on the market and hopefully get as much money as possible for the sale of your home. So, okay, let's start with the first thing. Front door sidelines. If it's beat up bad enough, get that front door replaced. You know, there's, as the old saying goes, you don't get a second chance to make a first impression. I can tell you, depending upon the home, a lot of folks go through the garage doors to get in their home, but there are some that have that front door and they neglect it because they don't go through it and they don't see it. Get that, you know, if it's in good shape, just get a fresh coat of paint on it, maybe something a little bold, really to freshen it up. There again, because the folks coming to look at your home are not going through the garage, they're going through the front door. So make sure you go ahead and freshen up the front door. Clean, pressure wash. You know, the sidewalks. You'd be surprised on how dirty your sidewalks are. There's a lot of algae, a lot of dirt. You know, if you've got a lot of trees, sap falls on them, grabs the dirt. You'd be surprised on how dirty they are. Clean the sidewalks, the driveway. Get over there, clean, power wash the gutters, the siding. You would be simply amazed if you've gone 3-4 years and you let your house just kind of not clean it. You'd be surprised at how much dirt accumulates under the eaves and soffits and areas that you don't recognize. Either get out there with your pressure washer or hire a professional, but do it now, because I'm going to tell you what, you'll be incredibly surprised on how clean your house can become. You know, don't get too crazy, don't get on it too hard. Just give it a nice gentle pressure wash, throw some cleaners in there, squirt it on, and get it cleaned off, okay? If you got a blacktop driveway, seal it up, fill the cracks, seal it up. Very cost-effective way to do it. Get out there on that Saturday, put the old college football game on, and knock that out, okay? Some other cost-effective, change the house numbers, kind of give it an updated look. Restain the mailbox, freshen it up, get rid of the old mailbox. Either, you know, maybe you've had one that's been knocked around. You know, do something on there to kind of give it a little bit of a curb appeal to it. Put some planters by, some flowers by the mailbox, by the front entry, anywhere you can kind of just draw an eye to a freshness and appeal. You know, get rid of some of the dead ones. Throw inexpensive flowered plants in there. Maybe stick some in some pots. You know, just to kind of coordinate the color in the front of the house. Lighting. Change up the lighting on the exterior of your house. Make sure, especially if folks are going to come by, you know, later in the afternoon or early evening, depending upon time of the year, you know, that there's enough light. A lot of times, you know, it could be just simply bulbs, or, you know, those fixtures have been there for 30 some years and they're barely hanging on. It's high time to just, you know, spend a little bit of money to go freshen up, find something that's going to be kind of unique, maybe a little kitschy. You know, you may spend a little bit of money, but it may catch an eye, and you know, just kind of, you know, just give that house just that fresh curb appeal look. I'm telling you, curb appeal is, I think, everything. Because if they come to the house and it doesn't have great curb appeal, they might quickly just move on. So just, you know what, always remember curb appeal. That really is a big driver. And then if you have to repaint or restain the exterior of your house, just freshen it up so that, you know, depending upon who's buying your home, it could be a first-time buyer, which generally it is. It's a first-time purchaser looking to buy their first home. They don't want to have to spend, you know, that kind of money. So if you can, get it out there, get it cleaned up, get it stained. You know, there again, it might just be we need to clean it, but if not, get over there. Don't go crazy with colors. Keep it simple, and just keep it fresh. So with that, We'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you again for joining me. I'm Mark at Discover Your Home, and these are 6 quick ways to hopefully turn your house in a good market. We'll see you soon.